Hey everybody, we're going to do a couple problems real quick. And on this one, we're going to look at this one first, and then we'll look at these guys. So when we're finding perimeter, perimeter is the distance around, and we've talked about it all year. When we go out to the playground for recess, I ask for you to run the perimeter. So that means that we're going to be going around the outside of the playground. With this being a rectangle, if this is 20, this opposite side down here will be 20. If the width is 6, and the opposite side over here will be 6. Take these four numbers, put them over here. And I like to combine numbers to make them faster. So 20 and 20, I know is 40. 6 is 12. And we need to add those. 40 plus 12 is 52. So the perimeter will equal 52. There's another kind where they show you one side and you have to figure out the rest of it. So on this one right here, if it says that the perimeter is 30, we know that this will equal 30. They only give us one number. We're going to use the same information as this right up here. If this is 10, you know that the opposite side will be 10. Well, let's do that part. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Trying to get to the point where we know the other sides, but we just know that the total, the perimeter, is 30. So if I go 30 minus 20, that gives me 10. That means that I know that in here, it's going to equal 10, but there are two sides. So I need to go 10 divided by the two sides. We're cutting it in half, makes it 5. So the 5 right there, I can put up here. I know that this is 5. I know that this is 5. So 2 plus 10 was 20. 5 plus 5 is 10. When we add those together, we get 30 perimeter. What we're looking for on the missing side. On the missing side right there, the answer would be 5. One more so you can see it like that. We have 4 sides. We can set it up where we know it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. We know that this is 18. So that means that this is 18. 18 is 36. And, oh, I didn't save myself much room there. We said that we knew that it was going to be 54. On this problem right here, we could see that we did the 30 minus 20 right there. So we're going to do 54 minus 36, and we're going to squeeze it in right here. 54 minus 36 equals 18. So this next part, let me loop this around right up here. 18 divided by 2, because we have two sides here we need to figure out. It's 9. I can change this to a 9 and this to a 9. Find out the missing side, your answer right there would be 9. This is how we find perimeter, and this is how you find the missing side when a perimeter is given to you.